Whoa! How do you get down there? He's a big dog, isn't he? How do you get down? Whoa! How do you get down there? How did that happen? Yay!
We've got they're bouncing. We've got an absolute beast today. Look at that. What a monster of a lobster. She is probably 80, 90 years old. Look at the blue colours. She's blue, she's purple. She's outfished. She's outfished fishermen for 80, 90 years. All her eggs, probably 50,000 babies in there. So as she's outfished us fishermen for a long time, I'm going to put a V-notch in it. So the V indicates that now this one will be kept. I'm trying to do this with the boat moving. She'll be kept as a breeder now. So you can see that V. And then what we're going to do for the last bit, we're going to give her a snacky snack. Take it. She's got a snack and we're going to release it. Put her on her back to protect the babies. So hopefully see you again, sweetheart.